What's up, YouTube? We out here, MoonRock, Nevada. We're just having fun, bro. That's it.
That's it. That's all he got.
Oh yeah.
Took up all the space.
He took up all the space.
You're a jerk.
Stupid trucks think they can do anything they want.
Jerk. Hey, I just wanted to showcase my new table.
Oh.
It's still working order. Still working.
Oh, snaps.
Come on, there goes. I got tools. I got another one.
Oh, dang. Oh, double table. I like the all natural plywood look.
You stained it. Yeah. And I was like, what kind of stain is this? It just looks dirty. Look at this.
What stain?
Look, that does not look
dirt
like
on the floor.
Yeah, I was like, I don't know about this.
So we're out here at MoonRock. We got Howie over here driving. We got my wife in a Hyundai. She's a trooper though, man.
Trailing.
She's doing it. She is doing it.
We trailing.
Howie's 4x4 don't work.
I'll do a two-wheel everywhere.
So he's gonna have to two-wheel drive it everywhere. And I guess we'll just pull him. He gets stuck.
I'm not gonna get stuck.
How you feel about that, Howie?
I feel good.
He feels
I feel confident
he
that
feels
I will
good.
still do all the trails.
I've been waiting for this, guys. I've been hella waiting for this. So we made it over here to MoonRock. Got the fam over here. Hello, kiddos. What's up, pretty mamas?
Hi, we made it. Well, MoonRocks. And it's starting to get a little gloomy, but
Yeah, a little cloud over here that's covering up the sun.
Speaking to my mic.
Hi.
Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mila.
Oh, don't break
My
it.
car, off-roading in my little sedan.
What happened over there?
Uncle, say hi, Uncle.
Hello. Did I make it, doctor?
What are you guys?
Have you
Dude, the hella went in.
I know, you must have put you. Ow!
Sorry.
What is a what?
Look at his
Splitter?
Yeah.
Get it, doc.
The mothers are doing.
hello. I'm cooking a frittata.
Wow. We just caught it, right, Auntie?
Yes. Oh yeah, the fish.
What kind of fish is that?
Pampano. Pampano.
Wow.
This is good for fried.
Not bad at all.
That's pretty easy,
No, G-Power.
Yeah. G.
He didn't want to fix him right there, the camera. He didn't want to fix his, what was it, transfer case? So we're out here. This is MoonRock over here. This is what it looks like. Check out my cousin's rig. Oh boy. How was it, Harold?
It was good. It was easier than I thought. So
It wasn't too bad.
yeah, it wasn't bad.
This your first time taking
Yeah,
your thing off road?
I'm kind of nervous, but
Yeah.
just because we're top heavy.
Your tire's eating up that thing.
Yeah, it
sinks
looks
right
like it's
in.
flexing and all that.
Yeah.
and it's giving weight.
Uncle, how was it?
Oh man, I was scared the first time to go up like that. Oh man, it's very, very hard.
Oh man.
That's the cool guy.
Yeah. Just right on the middle.
Yeah, you got it. You got it. You're clear.
Yo, I can't believe we're doing this. This is crazy.
Man, if you ain't ever been out here, you gotta check it out.
Okay, the line. Where's that line at? Let me see. Oh man, it's gonna touch your bumper, dude.
Yeah, baby.
Keep going.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, perfect. Perfect.
Oh yeah.
Nice and easy. Look up, slow.
Slow.
I didn't find it. Slow, Jack. Stop. Slow, okay?
Stop, okay? Nope.
Go back.
No. Neutral. It lifts it higher. It's really scary looking, but you could get it. You have the grip. It's just that deep ditch down there.
So what if I went driver? Is my driver tire up?
It's gonna lift high. Yeah, it's in the air. There's nothing on it.
I think you're supposed to
So
go
if I
passenger
went
now.
driver and then just to be able to tilt it over.
No, you have to go passenger
Do I have
to kill that lift.
And then go passenger a little bit.
So back up just a tad.
Ready?
Yep. Be ready to throw it in neutral or reverse, okay? Go ahead. No.
So close.
You were so close.
But it kept getting higher and higher.
Oh my goodness, my heart.
Just straight back, okay? No turning.
Dang, man, look at that departure angle. It's hella good.
I know, that's what I was saying.
That's hella good.
Look at the others. Oh.
Look at the departure angle on that.
You guys did this one last time,
We
remember?
did, but they took the harder line.
Right?
You're good.
Weird, there's so much grip.
Yeah.
Surprisingly.
That has a lot of grip.
Yeah, you can send that grip. You did this, I think. That's a little bit different.
You need the up.
Real quick, guys.
Oh, you got that one?
Yeah, that's smart. First gear, girlfriend. Back brake, back brake.
Power!
Good job, mommy.
Because I'm in the passenger seat. Yeah, you're not driving. The kids are all.
Hey, buddy. Stay right here, okay? Stay right here.
This one seems tippy. I don't like this one because it's tippy.
This is what you did, huh?
No,
Yeah,
we did.
just stay with that one.
We did this one right here.
And then you're
Done. We did that one right there. Yeah.
There's no point doing it again. We did it last time.
then your whole wheel lifted.
Yeah.
Yeah. Somebody did something hella hard. Like this. I think it was Jen.
It was my thing, yeah. Dang, his bumper gives him hella clearance.
Yeah. The bumper gives you hella clear.
I want one now.
Real funny mother.
Is there a baby in me?
Don't even give him any spots. Got it. Dang, no slipping. That's crazy, Fred.
That's good.
Yeah.
Hi, Jackson.
Hey, watch out. I don't want it to fly and hit you. No, you're good. Is it spinning on the other side? Okay, I'll repeat that side.
Alright. So this is a 4x4, but it's broken right now. I got straps.
Yeah, we need to strap them.
Okay.
Ryan's gonna get his.
Woo! This is a view.
Oh yeah?
I got Howie every time he got stuck.
Hey, is that Pyramid Lake?
Ooh,
Yeah.
See it way over there?
All right, explain what are we congregating about?
This is the same spot where Uncle Carlito broke over there, remember? Yeah, we were going up this. Now we're going down it. It's
It was a
doable.
lot more sturdier back then.
Yeah, it's doable, but there are some fat rocks in the middle. We just got to pick a good line and we'll be good.
What's up, big boy?
And then there's a crack down there with the
What's up,
split.
big boy?
So we got to be careful with that.
Shit.
you already down there?
I went to go look. I was like, is this even
We're gonna
doable?
go into the grass
Because
again.
I didn't want to see another fat crack over
That
there.
crack is too big.
That crack, y'all see that crack? It was
yeah,
huge.
that crack was huge.
So I say we take it slow on this side.
Yep.
And then we'll start our descend right there. That's gonna be. There's a big ass bump. That first one on the right, on the left side, that goes over. I should be able to clear it.
Who should go first then? You want to go first? Okay. When should we go? Because in case we get stuck. No, we could pull ourselves out because it's easy.
It's a downhill.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a downhill. You guys, you can push your.
Yeah.
You guys can push your shit out.
Yeah. Okay. So I guess we should go first if anything. Yeah, we'll go first.
You go poo-poo?
Because it's where we go through it faster.
Yeah.
And then if we get stuck, you're behind us. You guys can pull us out if we need help.
Yeah.
So yeah, we should go first actually.
How you doing with the two-wheel drive, Howie?
Freaking sucks.
Yeah.
Sucks major balls, bro.
Sucks.
Monstrous group just like, we're ready for this shit.
better than in a car, huh? Come on, Coco.
Here goes the Jeep. How is it? Is it pretty? It's, don't lie, it's pretty freaking easy on
You
your
can
Jeep.
drive it, Ryan, if you want to.
No, it's okay.
It'll be okay.
No, it's okay. I had to stay true to the Japanese motors.
It's not that you're going against it. You're just trying for a little piece.
Yeah, that thing is tight. Love it. All right, we've been here. Been here for a minute. This is hella hard. Yeah.
Alrighty.